Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to fix Premiere Pro audio not working. First, if you have multiple audio layers, make sure that the solo option is unselected. For example, if solo track is enabled on my audio layer 2, it will only play the audio from the second layer and you will not be able to hear audio from the other layers. So you have to just click on it to disable the solo track option. The next way is to go to Preferences by clicking on the Edit tab at the top left part of Premiere. Go to Preferences and let's go to Audio Hardware. From here, we are going to configure the default output, change it depending on which device you're using. So you can just select from the options right here, and once you have set it up, click on OK and make sure that that device that you have chosen is working. And that is how you can basically fix Premiere Pro audio not working. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.